Hi everyone, this is Moffat, and we got Dusty back there. And this is your update for pacing guide. This is what I recommend doing to be prepared for the AP test. Now, if you don't do this, your grade's not going to change. If you do some of this stuff, I will try and make it improve your grade, assuming I'm allowed to. But you will be very prepared for the AP test and my final. So here's what I'm going to recommend doing. I put you all in a new Khan Academy class. The old one will still be there. That's the official class graded one. So if you haven't done any of those, do those first, get your grade set. And then the other one, it says optional AP stats review. That's for this stuff. Now, I made assignments due at different times. And I kept all the due dates really late. I didn't want them to say overdue or get any hiccups happening. So on week 1, we'll be basically starting with Unit 1. And actually, Unit 1 is one of our worst sections in the past as far as doing well. I think this has been so long for people, but it's really not the hardest unit. So if you analyze, if that's analyzing categorical data, displaying and describing quantitative data, and summarizing quantitative data. It's about half of Unit 1, I would say, do in the first week. So that's every assignment in those sections has a due date of 5/20/20, so May 20th. That means it's not actually due May 20th. I'm not actually grading it, but it's just so you can distinguish which ones I want you to do in each week. Then I'm going to start releasing videos, starting probably tomorrow, of free response question breakdowns. I'm going to use these in the future too, so this is an awesome thing for me to do for myself, but I think it will help you guys a lot. It's going to go through every single free response question from every single test, at least the past 6 tests, and how to score it, how to grade it, how to communicate answers on those things. So the first week, I would say try the 2019 free response questions. You can go to the Collegevoard website, that will be in the description of the video. But go there, look at them, just try them on a piece of paper, just answer them like you would answer on the AP test, and do the best you can. And then watch my breakdown videos, or go on back to the website and look at the scoring guides, or even better, really the breakdown videos are the way to go. But they also have sample responses, so you can look and see what like a good response would be for that video, or for that problem. Anyhow, so there's 6 questions. So I recommend trying all 6, at least in week 1, from the 2019s. And then then I'll do the breakdown. You see how you did, that's great. So week 2, it's going to be similar, but do the assignments that have a due date of 5/21/20, so May 21st. And then you can try the 2018 tests. Watch the video breakdowns. I'm going to release the videos as we go, so if some of them are on topics we haven't covered yet, it's fine. I'll still do the breakdown. You can watch it, but I'm not super worried about it at this stage. Week 3 is exploring bivariate data, so scatter plots and experimental design. It's 2 units. And then also try the 2017 free responses. Week 4, probability random variables. Try the 2016 free responses. Week 5, we just finished confidence intervals and significance tests we were working on. We're almost done with it. So you've done a lot of the confidence interval Khan Academies already. Sampling distributions, you haven't done those yet, but they're from the assignment before, from the unit before. Now, then you can try the 2015s. If you do that, you'll be pretty thoroughly reviewed before we get back to class. And assuming we get back to class on April 24th, we have about 2.5 weeks to keep going. If you want to use all 6 weeks in your spring break, it doesn't suck. We haven't actually covered everything. So if you click on the AP Statistics course in Khan Academy, there's still a couple topics that we will cover at the end, assuming we come back. And then I'll release another video breakdown. I'm going to release videos every day for the for response breakdowns. This is the disclaimer, you don't have to do every little thing. And some of the Khan Academies are just going to be obvious. Like if you know how to read a box plot and you click on what says reading a box plot, I mean, you don't have to finish it. Try a couple questions, see if you know them, skip it, move on. Right? I want you to try the things you don't know that well, and also try the ones that we didn't cover. Maybe watch the videos that are attached to them. Could be useful. I'll send this out in an email to you guys as well, or at least on Blackboard. But this is my recommendations as of now. We will get more resources though. So for now, just try the Khan Academies, do the free responses as I go. You guys will do great. Come to my Discord or ask me via email if you have any questions. I'll talk to you guys soon.